Di ko alam kung yung tumal or yung init, pero tamad na tamad talaga ako this week. Kaya eto, Friday na ako nakapag-ukay trip. Konting revisa lang, pang benta saka pang content. Boring no? Pero ganun talaga. Basta consistent. Eto may Popeye, kaso maliit. And then may AOP Polo by T-Box, iniwan ko na lang din. Tapos may peke na Puma, so iniwan ko na lang din. Tip ko sana tong floral long sleeve, kaso walang brand. Not familiar with the brand of this one, so iniwan ko din. Ito first loot natin. Text na lang natin later. Parang may selector na nag-iwan kasi magkakatabi yung mga okay pa na item. Second loot natin, yung Nike na hoodie. Small pero legit naman. Gap hoodie na medium. Pang babae or pang bata yung size and mukhang off pero good condition naman. Next is kulay mink na MLB pullover. Uwi na sana ako kaso may nakita akong sign and it says
Gago!
next spot sa katabi lang, 200 and above pa ang price. Ito may Eviso Kuro, kaso Ekeps at mababa na ata ang value ng Eviso shirts. May Adi jersey. Kaso may issue sa likod. Tapos may Coca-Cola kaso modern lang. Found another Adidas jersey. Kaso walang player tags. Ito parang vape na din style ng finger crocs. So, and wala masyado bumibili nito. We also found these G-Packers na pambabae. I think this is a cheerleader uniform pero madaming issue. Also found this neighborhood. Not sure if mabenta to pero okay din sana yung side niya. Another jersey but it seems off kasi walang QR code. This one seems legit kaso small. Ayan, natatanggal ng mga sticker.
Wala!
Tapos ko talaga naisipan mag-select kasi na sobrang init. Sabisa lang tayo dito. Ito, Bungad Wrangler Jorts at 380 pesos. Meron ding RL na turtleneck. Kaso wala yung Little Pony, so hindi ko na kinuha. T-Mobile jersey with issues, 380 pesos din. Plus ito merong Fear of God na overruns for 380 pesos din. I think you can find this as high quality replicas as low as 190 pesos sa Shopee or Lazada, so check nyo lagi maigi guys, lalo pag top brand. Also had this Burberry, I think this is a polo dress for women's and I'm not sure if this is legit, so dito nang kinuha. Another jersey by Under Armour. I think this is also an HUR. And then a Fred Perry polo at 580 pesos. Meron din Manchester United na Adi. Kasi meron akong ganito and manipis to, parang peke lang. Mas okay pa yung nakuha ko. course, we also check the pants. Baka sakali lang may makalusot na na Carpuso. Siyempre wala, but we found this Nike cargo na baggy. Sobrang solid sana, kaso 680 pesos. Also found this Patagonia shorts at 480 pesos. Pang reseller price na yung pricing nila, so I'm on leave, so walang pasok ngayong gabi. Revisa lang ulit dito naman sa katabi. Currently at 70%, pero sobrang selected na, so wala na mabisa. Ito may jersey na 100 pesos ata, kaso peke, saka ang daming issue. Tas okay sana tong parka jacket, kaso may butas, saka mainit, so then bili muna tayong burger para may pasalubong. Oversized hoodie na wool, size small pero solid ng kulay at design. Then Nike hoodie na small din, legit to pero may mga issues na. Ito natatanggal na yung swoosh nya. Then we got this Gap hoodie, size medium, seems off pero good condition naman. And last is yung pink na MLB, off din pero goods na yan.
The next day.
Grabe init, pero check natin sa taas ng builders. Mura na din kasi item, so hanap pa tayo pang benta. Budget meals lang yung tinitira ko ngayon para hindi masyado masakit sa bulsa. Kahit konting tubo lang, basta mayroong benta. May RL na AOP pero iniwan ko na lang. Iniwan ko rin tong Harry Potter na long sleeve cause I'm not a fan, and hindi ata mabenta mga long sleeves. Ito Quicksilver, kaso hindi ko trip yung patterns. Ito okay sana yung pagka-checkered, kaso hindi na okay yung condition. Ito solid na Adidas, size small pero ang ganda ng colorway. And we got this checkered polo for women's, size large. These are all 70 pesos. Another polo for women's, medium to large ng fittings. We also got this CK blouse, kulay white, size large. And last is a GU stripes na 3/4 sleeve.
Pang babae. No. 70 lang. 70 lang. Ang benta yan, ha? Ito kaya? Magbebenta kaya to?
Thank you very much guys for making this part into the video. And maraming salamat din sa mga nanonood at nagsasubscribe, nagko-comment or nagla-like, nag-share ng video na to. I really appreciate you guys. Promise, mas gagalingan pa natin. Of course, thank you very much sa mga bumibili sa akin because finally, meron na tayong kinita. Kung di nyo pa napanood, I made a short about the breakdown of my earnings and spending since I started recording it. Pero pakita ko rin yung pinaka-breakdown na ginawa ko sa Excel since I started earning back in March 2024. Ito yung gastos natin for March and April. Ito naman yung total na pumasok na pera. Then net profit is yung actual na kinita. Small amount lang pero it's a big deal for me kasi I'm finally getting something from doing something I enjoy. Ito naman yung breakdown ng mga ginastos. So bukod sa mga damit, nire-record ko na din yung gasto sa merienda, pag nag-uukay or gas, and pag nagbubusoy na bumibili tayo ng ads. Last is yung breakdown ng kinita. And most of my sales still comes from TikTok. Medyo masakit lang kasi yung bawas nila and delay before ma-withdraw. So, we'll see this May if makakapag-transition tayo sa Instagram. If not, I'll just probably double down on TikTok. So, ayun lang for this episode guys. Tandaan, hindi ang paunahan, basta consistent ka lang. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na yung kita natin. And again, thank you very much. The items on this video, of course, will be uploaded on my store, so check them out. I have Instagram, Facebook, Carousel, and I do TikTok live. But I'm currently trying to migrate to Instagram as my main platform kasi medyo nakaka-burnout talaga magbenta ng live. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para naman na-notify kayo pag may bago tayong out. Ayun lang, and as always, embrace the chaos.